beyond how do you buy on BONKbot. So I'm about to teach y'all exactly how to buy, trade Solana meme coins on Telegram, exactly how we do it. So first thing you need is Telegram. That's the first thing you need. You need a Telegram. Link is in the description, right? Link is in the description. After you download Telegram, if you don't already got it, you need to get a BONKbot wallet, right? I had an official BONKbot link in the description. Hit that link, and then you will set up a wallet. And this is how it will look when you start to set it up. You will see this is the official BONKbot. You'll have to accept some terms, and after that, boom, you're gonna see it say you currently have no Solana in your wallet. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to send Solana to this wallet, and then we're about to make a live trade. All right, so I just sent some Solana to this wallet. It's the same wallet. You can see it's currently saying no sold. That's the address. But if we scroll down, right, and you hit home, this is how you always refresh your BONKbot. Hit that menu button, then you hit home, and it'll always refresh you. Anytime you interact with the BONKbot, it's good to refresh it. So you can see right now we got 10 sold. So I'm gonna do a live trade. I'm about to go to my computer real quick. Copy this contract address. If you got an iPhone, and you got a Mac, you could just use your Mac, right? You can just use your Mac, copy any contract address. We copy that on Dex Tools. Go back over to the phone. And you see we about to paste that real quick. Hold on, paste, copy. This is a coin I was shilling just by $1. It's at $1 million market cap right now. So if you want to buy this coin, you see the presets, right? You could change these presets on BONKbot. If you tap any one of them, like buy 1 sold, buy 5 sold, buy X sold, it'll buy it instantly. So we're gonna buy X sold, and then I'm gonna say just point. I'm gonna just buy a little bit just for the test. You know, you can say any amount. After you buy, it says swap successful. Then it tell you how much you bought, right? How many coins you got. You got 2,500 right here. We got 2,500 coins of this $1. That's the ticker. We spent 0.01 sold at, and that's the market cap we got in. So our entry point is $1 million. Your entry point is everything with meme coins. You gotta remember your entry point. We refreshed again. Like whenever you wanna restart, just hit that little green button in the corner and press on. Then you go, you can see all your positions right here. You see all your positions, how much sold I got left, right? Whenever you wanna refresh it, you can refresh it and it show you, right? Display dipping right now. So from the entry point, we down 23%. You refresh it, but when you get in the bullish play, the thing about meme coins is to get in at a low entry point when the play just getting launched. You hit sell and manage to manage any one of your positions. So hit sell and manage. And then to sell 100%, you sell 100%, but if you want to DCA out, you can set a button where you can sell percentages of it. And then right here, you get a receipt. You see, I sold 25% of my holdings. I sold 600 coins for what I had. And it's all relative to the amount you put in, right, in your profit line. So you see it right here. You can swap anytime. You can go back to home. That's how you look at the overview of it. Hit refresh. Refresh. Whenever you want to update it, you see how the numbers changing, or the numbers changing in real time. The market cap on this one dipping. So say if a project is dipping, you want to get out, sell 100%. You get a message, confirm, sold 100%. Hit home again. And now you can see you have no open positions and the balance is sold, and show the wallet address. So I hope this video helped y'all. If y'all have any questions on how to buy any of these meme coins, leave a comment, leave a detailed comment under this video. If y'all want to be a part of the most alpha chat in meme coin history, join my chat, right? Beyond World Telegram. But you can change the settings on your wallet too. You can see what the settings were for this video. By left, you could change any one of these. Just tap it. Say if you wanted to turn it to 3 or 4. These buttons kind of small too, so if you got fat fingers, you see now the buy button set to 4. You can go up, you can see it already, replicated right there. But that's how you do it. It's that simple. It ain't even hard. Like, all you do, if I show you again, we could buy again. Paste. Damn, I'm saying. I'm doing this with one hand. Just buy $1, buy X amount. We gonna say 0.001. We're just doing test buys for the video. You normally ate way bigger, like 0.5. So it all depends on your bankroll, for real. You can see I bought again. Then you go home. Repetition is everything. If y'all do this, just watch the video over if you need help. But it's really that simple. All you doing, you see the process. I paste the contract, then they pop up what the contract is. It show you the market cap. You can always refresh too before you buy. Like you can hit this refresh button before you buy to see better prices. So just know that, like, sometimes you will paste it and then instantly buy. And then you're like, why I ain't get in at that market cap? Because it's changing in real time. This shit happening in real time. The meme coin market move fast. It's 24/7. It's a volatile market, but you can make a lot of money on this market if you know the right people. Yeah. We tapped in with a lot of the information, and we use AI bot technology. That's how we find this play. Like, we found this play before it was even at 1 million. Way before it was even at 1 million. Like low 100K, under 100K. So yeah, make sure you join my chat. Let me sell this position. Sell 100%. And you could turn off the confirmation. I normally don't have that on, right? But in settings, let's see. In settings, if you go to sell protection, you can turn that off. Boom. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.